Did you know that there are two simple pressure points on your body that could naturally support stronger morning erections after 50? Most men over 50 have no idea these spots even exist. And the best part is, you can stimulate them in just seconds each day. Have you ever woken up and felt your morning erection was weaker than it used to be? I want you to comment below and tell me your experience. I read every single one. I know how frustrating it can feel when your body doesn't respond the way it once did. You might even feel like your sexual vitality is slipping away, but the truth is, small, targeted techniques can make a real difference. These pressure points are part of your body's natural circulatory and nervous systems, and activating them can improve blood flow and alertness where it matters most. I've guided hundreds of men through this, and the changes they notice are often surprisingly quick. Let's start with the first one. It's called the perineal point, located just between your scrotum and anus. Applying firm, gentle pressure here for about 30-60 seconds each morning can stimulate nerves that improve circulation to the penis. Don't worry if it feels a little awkward at first. This is completely normal. Over time, your body adapts, and you may notice morning erections becoming more consistent and firmer. Here's a little secret that most people overlook. Combining this pressure point with deep, slow breathing can dramatically enhance the effect. I recommend inhaling for 4 counts, holding for 2, and exhaling for 6 while applying pressure. This simple pairing activates your parasympathetic nervous system, which helps your body relax and direct blood flow efficiently. Trust me, the results are subtle at first, but persistence pays off. The second point is the kidney meridian point, located just above your ankle on the inner side of your leg. Massaging this spot daily stimulates circulation and supports hormonal balance, which can influence erectile strength. Many men report that incorporating this point into their routine makes a noticeable difference within just a few weeks. And remember, consistency is key. This isn't a one-time fix. It's a daily habit that compounds over time. Now, I know some of you may be thinking, does this really work after 50? And I get it. Our bodies do change, but natural methods like this leverage what's already built into your system. Think of it as waking up the dormant power your body has had all along. I always tell my patients, small daily adjustments often outperform dramatic, short-term fixes. You don't need fancy equipment or supplements to start, just your fingers, a few minutes each day, and mindful focus. Make this a morning ritual, maybe after brushing your teeth or showering. The consistency is what trains your body to respond, and over time, you may find that your morning erections return to the strength of your younger years. Before I wrap up, here's a little motivational tip. Track your progress. Write down how you feel each morning, even noting small changes. This gives you tangible evidence that your efforts are working. And if you're curious about other natural techniques that complement these pressure points, let me know in the comments. I'll share what I recommend in my next video. Remember, this is about more than just erections. It's about reclaiming confidence, energy, and a sense of vitality that often feels lost after 50. You're not broken, and you don't need extreme interventions to see improvement. Start with these 2 pressure points. Stay consistent, and watch your body respond naturally. So here's my challenge for you. Commit to this routine for the next 2 weeks and pay attention to how your body reacts. Comment below with your results. I want to celebrate your progress with you. You have the ability to take control of your sexual health, and it starts with just a few simple daily actions.